so today we are making this pretty Cinderella cake. I love this style. It is gorgeous, it's simple, it's so elegant, and it looks like watercolor. So let's get started. My name is, what is my name today? I wrote it on a post-it note. My name is Sandra Bullock, and you're watching the Disney. Am I gonna get sued? Maybe. If you want to see more cakes like this, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments so I can produce them. Now for this cake, I'm using a 7-inch round cake, and I dyed it blue because Cinderella's dress is blue. But it's weird because Cinderella's dress wasn't always blue. It was kind of like this gray or white. It's like a rushing stream mixed with a little bit of supernova, but then like 10 shades lighter. So I did all of the cake basics, and then I placed on my Cinderella cake shape and just cut out the shape. Now there's a lot of scraps. Where did they go? In my belly, maybe? Probably. This video's old, and I can't believe I'm just editing it now. So I moved this onto a cake board, and then I added a crumb coat. Crumb coat to the sides as well as the top. The thing that I love about this cake is when you're adding icing to your cake, the shape morphs a lot from the original design, because the icing adds probably like 1/2 inch to your original creation, which means that the drawing, the printout, or the picture you're using as a reference is now 1 inch or like 1/2 inch smaller, which means the proportions are going to be a little bit off. But because I'm only adding a crumb coat to the sides and then giving the top a full coat, the size of the image is still the same. After I gave this a crumb coat, I placed my cake into the fridge to chill, and I was watching some Netflix. What show did I watch? I don't know. I made this cake a long time ago. I'm not even sure what was on Netflix at the time. So I gave the top a full coat so you can't see any cake at all. You just get this really nice white canvas. I smoothed out the sides to get this really nice shape. Then I started to smear. And I'm smearing on 2 different variations of the skin tone. One that's really light and one that's a little bit darker so I can get her cheekbones and a little bit of a forehead. Then I gave her this really nice blonde. Yes, I love the color on this. Watercolor cakes are fantastic. Now we've got all of these light colors. I'm gonna highlight them with very thin pieces of black fondant. This really makes the entire thing pop. You get all of the detail of her bangs, very subtle eyebrows, and then the contour of her like chin. Now if you remember, a while back I did an Ariel cake in this exact same style, and this design is not my design. I went to Target, I saw these designs on children's cups, and I was like, that needs to be a cake, which is why they're now cakes. So if you want to see more cakes like this, you can check out my Ariel cake, my Pocahontas cake, and Tiana. I also have a Maleficent one. This one looks sick. Now I wanted to add more texture to this cake, so I decided to create her headband by piping out some Cinderella blue. Yeah, it's like a rushing stream. I think that's really pretty color. So not only did I give her a headband, but I also gave her some earrings. I wanted her eyes to stand out a lot more, so instead of a rushing blue, I kind of went with like a Yucatan blue. Rushing blue has a little bit more green in it. And Yucatan is a lot darker, but I don't think there's any green in that. And voila, my Cinderella cake was complete. I love this cake. This is less cake and more art, I think. I'm not the artist. The guy who put it on the little Tupperware kids cup is the artist. Go say hey to him. What's his name? I don't know. They didn't put it on the cup. And make sure you hit that notification button so you can see all of the videos I produce on this channel. I'm creating videos like twice a week, Tuesday and Thursday, and sometimes there's another video on for Saturday. Third video on for Saturday, and maybe in some Monday. Also, I don't know when these videos come out. It all depends on when I finish it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love you. I will see you very soon.